Hi everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm unboxing Medusa's makeup. And this is the February box for Medusa's makeup. Let's see what the theme is. You know what? I didn't get a postcard this month. Usually you get a postcard saying what the box is, what the theme is. It's some kind of lovey theme. I remember seeing that online, but I don't know what it is. So it was just an oversight, I'm sure, on their part. And let's just get into the box. So the first thing here is Rage Against the Bean Vanilla Lip Balm. And it smells really good. And it feels like your pretty average lip balm. It's creamy. It's not too hard like sometimes lip balms are. This seems kind of creamy. Anyway, I love lip balms. I use them all the time, so that's something I'm looking forward to using. Here is some eye dust, Full Moon. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's a shimmery white with a pink shift to it. And I don't know if you can see the shift, but it's like a shimmery white with a pink shift. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really pretty. And we have 4 items this time. And next we have liquid lipstick. Striptease is the name. It's a dry down matte formula. I'll give it a little swatch here. And that is a really pretty nude color. It's like a dark, deep nude. And that's the color of that. And then lastly is their Glam Rock eyeshadow. And this is the color Rhapsody. So it's like a coppery pink. It's very, 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 very soft. Very soft and smooth. It's dry, not a wet formula, but it is very, very soft and velvety. And it really goes, all the colors go really well together. So that is cool. So that's everything in the box. Medusa's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan, and their subscription box is just over $16 a month. It's a good deal. It's typically a $40+ value, and usually get a variety of things, just like what I got this time. So happy with this box. I am probably going to be pausing my subscription for a couple months because I just got Adobe Creative Cloud, and that's a monthly subscription as well. So gotta be changing some things around money-wise. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.